Ready for a cosmic shocker? The universe just threw us a curveball with a black hole merger that defies physics. Gravitational waves, those ripples in space-time predicted by Einstein, just revealed the most massive black hole merger ever detected. And guess what? According to physics, this cosmic event even exists. So, what are gravitational waves? They're like invisible messengers created by violent cosmic events, like black holes colliding at crazy speeds. Detected first in 2015, these waves keep us updated on the universe's wildest secrets. Now, the big deal. Scientists found a merger of black holes combining into a supermassive beast, 150 times the mass of our sun. Current models say black holes this big shouldn't form normally. So, how did this happen? This forbidden merger challenges everything we thought we knew. Maybe there's a secret cosmic pathway, or perhaps new physics is waiting to be discovered. Gravitational wave astronomy is just beginning, and each detection opens new doors into the dark universe. Curious how we hear these cosmic events? Thanks to detectors like LIGO and Virgo, measuring disturbances tinier than a proton, we can listen to the universe's heartbeat. What's next? Scientists will keep scanning for more gravitational waves, hoping to uncover even stranger phenomena. The universe loves to surprise us. Love space mysteries? Hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the bell to never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the stars.